Before starting the installation, please refer to the manual. Open the packing carton, take out products and accessories from the box, and don't damage the carton if the battery needs to be transported in the future. Check the appearance of the product and accessories for any damage. Check you have the right products corresponding to the packing list. If there is any damage, it needs to be regained. If the appearance is normal, continue the installation process. Since the installation methods for these batteries are the same, we will now demonstrate the installation method for the 200 ampere-hour battery. Pre-install square nut assembly. Pre-install square nut assembly. Pre-install load bearing tray. Tighten the screws with the correct tool. Tighten the screws with the correct tool. Double check if each circuit breaker from power system is switched off. Make sure each battery circuit breaker is switched off. Place the battery on the lifting handcart or on another lifting equipment. The center of gravity of the battery must not exceed the edge position of lifting handcart. Lift the lifting handcart to the appropriate height and move it to the appropriate position in front of the cabinet. Slowly push the battery into the load-bearing tray. Remove the lifting handcart. Install screws to secure the battery. Loosen the screw. Install the ground cable. Tighten the screws with the correct tool. Loosen the screw. Install the ground cable. Tighten the screws with the correct tool. Install the terminator. Connect each battery in parallel using signal cables. Install the terminator. Connect the signal cable to the terminator before connecting power cables. Remove the covers. Loosen the screws. Connect the negative power cable and the positive power cable. Tighten the screws with the correct tool. Connect the negative power cable and the positive power cable. Tighten the screws with the correct tool. Install the covers switch on the circuit breaker on every battery. Switch on each battery circuit breaker on the power system. Verify all the batteries are activated automatically with no alarm.